In 1921, while traveling across the Mediterranean Sea, he was struck by its deep blue color. After returning to India, he along with his collaborators spent years using sunlight and eventually mercury lamps to study how light changed when passed through solids and liquids. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe Chaganti Vidyakusumam to get the continuous updates. One of the most important contributions of Indian scientists to physics is Raman effect. It is a fascinating phenomenon in physics and chemistry. It deals with the scattering of light by molecules of a medium when they are excited to vibrational energy levels. The fundamental electromagnetic radiations which are an integral part of light energy are photons. We all know that when a beam of sunlight incident on substance, certain amount of light is absorbed, reflected and certain amount light is scattered in different directions. Most of the photons pass through elastically without changing their original color. Generally, scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of wavelength, which is called Rayleigh shattering. It is a fact that color of light is due to change in wavelength. Different colors Vibgyo have different wavelengths ranging from 400 nanometers to 700 nanometers. More is the wavelength, lesser will be the scattering. Therefore, violet to blue having lesser wavelength scatters more. To make you understand Raman effect clearly, I will make an attempt to make this concept clear. Let us see how photons light particles behave when they collide with molecules. This interaction is classified into two types: elastic scattering and inelastic scattering. For example, just like a tennis ball hitting a concrete wall bounces off, there is no net exchange of energy between the light and the molecule. As a result, outgoing photon has same energy, frequency and color of the incoming photon. However, in rare cases, the collision is not perfect. The photon and the molecule exchange a bit of energy. The photon may either gain a bit of energy or lose some of its energy to molecule since it is already in vibration. The outgoing photon has different energy in different color. The difference in energy between the incoming and outgoing light is called Raman shift. When a photon loses energy to a molecule, it shifts towards red end of the spectrum called red shift having lower frequency and longer wavelength. When photon takes energy from a molecule, resulting photon has higher energy shifting towards blue color of the spectrum called blue shift. Hence, Raman concluded that color of sea water is not completely due to reflection of sky, but water molecules act like filters and absorb warmer colors red, orange and yellow quickly. But, the cooler colors like blue or violet are not absorbed so easily. Instead, they travel deeper and scattered in all directions by the water molecules, eventually teaching our eyes.